Hello, good morning. Welcome to Sarojini Smart Learning. So this is Murahari sir, and for the last few episodes, you are watching my channel and supporting a lot. Thank you one and all once again. And for the last 18 years, I am training the students on abacus, Vedic maths, and regular maths. So among those, few students are requested to teach a topic which is useful for the school curriculum and also for the competitive exams, the person who will go for competitive exams. So the thing is, the topic name is percentages. Yeah. So today, in today's episode, we are going to deal with percentages. So first of all, we should know what is percent, what is percentage, right? So now, today's our topic is percentage. So, what is percent? Cent, in other words, it is a Latin word we call cent means 100. Cent means 100. So, percent means per 100. Also, we can write by 100. In this way, we can convert it. Suppose if I give 5%, that means 5 by 100. If I give 7%, that is 7 by 100. So in this way, we write percentages. So when we use these percentages from the beginning is in the school. So if we ask students, how much percent do you get in maths? How much percent do you get in English? In that way, we find out the things in percentage. So people say, no, I got only 60%, I got 90%, I got 84%, like that. That means 60 by 100. That means we measure the numbers in nothing else for 100 only. So whenever we calculate things for 100, then we call it as percent. Okay, so I'll give some examples. We'll discuss on this topic today. Okay, now see, 20% of 100, suppose if I give. So how we are going to do it? 20 divided by percent means 100 I told. Percent, that is 100 into 100. So 100 will get cancelled, which is equal to 20. So 20% of 100 is 20. Suppose if I take 20% of 400. So 20 by 100 is multiplied by 400. So 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. You left 20 into 4, which is equal to 80. So even in the sharing of amount also, suppose there is an amount of, suppose I take 400 rupees or 600 rupees. So there is an amount of 400 rupees is there. And there are two friends, A and B. So assume A and B, two friends are there. So they want to divide the amount among themselves. But one is bigger, one is smaller. That is, one is elder to the other one. So this A will ask, I want 60% and B will take 40%. Now if you take 60% plus 40% is equal to 100%. But they are dividing in this ratio, 60 is to 40. So what A will get? A will get 60% of 400. That is 60 by 100 into 400. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. You will have 60 into 4, which is equal to 240 rupees he will get. Who? A. Because he got 60. Similarly, B will get how much? 40% of 400. Why I am taking 400? Because the total amount is 400. So because of that we are taking. So 40 by 100 is multiplied by 400. 0, 0, 0, 0. You left with 40 into 4, which is equal to 160. So now you have to check whether this A 240 and B 160 is equal to 400 or not. Yes, it is 400 only. A plus B is equal to. So the whatever the given amount, that can be divided in percentage manner also. Okay. Now If I give 15% of 1500, 15% of 1500, so that is 15% means by 100 is multiplied by 1500. So on calculation, on simplification, 15 into 15, this is 225. So if it is in rupees, this also comes in rupees. That's it. So how I did 15 into 15? I told one concept in the previous exercise. So 1 is 1 into 2, 1 into 2, this is 5 into 5, this is 225. So better you watch and follow from the beginning. Then only you can understand, you can do it faster. If you try from the middle, then you will get confused how to do it. Again, it will take a lot of time to calculate. Instead of that one, you can go through all my old videos, then you will get it. Okay? So now, I am going to explain a typical question. Here there are two questions are given. 10% of 50, 50% of 10. So he is asking which is more. So we have to find out the value whether 10% of 50 is more or 50% of 10 is more. So we will find out. First part is 10% of 50, that is 10% means per cent, 100 into 50. So on calculation 0, 0. Again this 10 and 10 will get cancelled. The answer is 5. So 10% of 50 is nothing but 5. If you go this one, 50% of only 10, 50% means 50 by 100 into 10. So 0, 0 get cancelled. Again 0, 0 get cancelled. What is remaining? 5. So that means both the answers are same. That means this is equal to this. But there is no more than or no lesser than. So the numbers may get confused. The numbers may get confused. But see that you should do in this way. Then there is no mistake for you in your exam. I'll take one more example. Here I have given one more question. Now you have to check 25% of 200, 20% of 300. So we have to find out which is greater value. So how we are going to find out? 25% means 25 by 100 is multiplied by 200. That means 2 zeros, 2 0 get cancelled. What you left? 25 into 2. That is 50. So 25% of 200 is 50. Now if you come to this part, 20 by 100 into 300. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. That is 20 into 3. 2 3s are 6 with a 0. Now can you find the difference? So which is greater? So 20% of 30 is greater. So whatever the value may be, suppose if it is 50. So in this 50, 50% means 25 and 25. Isn't it? 25 plus 25 is 50. So we call 50% plus 50%. 50% plus 50% is equal to 100%. So in that way, we can calculate these things. I would like to give few more examples so that you can understand very clearly. So here I gave two more examples. It may be in rupees, it may be in marks, or it may be in percentage, whatever it is. So suppose in an examination is conducted for 80 marks only. And the teacher says you that you got only 60%. So you don't know. If it is 60% means generally 60 by 100. So we calculate the numbers for 100 only. But the exam is given for only 80. Among that 80, you got 60%. So how we are going to do 60 by 100 into 80 marks. 0, 0 get cancelled. 0, 0 get cancelled. You left 6 into 8, that is 48. So the question is in marks. So 48. That means you got 48 by 80. This is the way you are going to get in school or college. Coming to this one, suppose 90% of 10,000 rupees. So 90 by 100 into 10,000 rupees, 1000 rupees. 0, 0, 0, 0. So 90 into 10. So 9 ones are 9, 0, 0. You can write. So this is 900 rupees. So out of 1000, 90% is 900, 40% is 400, 60% is 600 also. You can do it. Because we know that everything percentage related to 100. So if it is 1000, 0 is increasing means on the numerator also one 0 will increase. So here this is nothing but it's converting into a fraction. This is converting as a fraction. Suppose 5.25% is given. Actually, according to this one, 5.25 by 100 means percentage over. So how we are going to remove this point? So we can remove this as 525 by 100 because we are removing the decimal. Again 100. So if at all get cancelled, you can get cancelled. 5 20s are 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 5 5s are. Again 5 4s are 5 21s are. So you left 21 by 100 into 4, which is called 21 by 400. So this is the fractional format of a decimal percentage. Okay.